Hello everybody, Kirk Nelson here. I'm your friendly neighborhood graphics geek. I'm an instructor here at Learn from Fiverr, as well as a pro seller on the Fiverr platform. My most notable gig is offering high-end photo manipulation services. I'm also a professional graphic designer with 20 plus years of experience, a degree in multimedia, and over 400 published works to my name. And I'm an Adobe certified expert in Photoshop. I'm excited to present this course here on Learn from Fiverr. This is Photo Manipulation in Photoshop. This course is aimed at the intermediate Photoshop user who wants to push their skills even further, so they can expand the services they offer on the Fiverr platform. There's two projects we're going to cover in this course. The first is a car compositing project, where we construct an image that's fit for advertising. The second is to create a visual representation of a surreal flooded street image designed to be the cover of a novel. The unique thing about this course is that it's not just about the technical skills needed to produce these pieces. It's just as much about the why as it is the how. So we're going to walk through the entire creative process. We'll start at reviewing the client brief. We'll go to questions to ask, talk about brainstorming, to production of the actual imagery. I'm partnering with Fiverr because I believe in the way that they are providing the means to empower, support, and equip the professional freelance community and make an impact on the way design work is done. This course is intended to benefit sellers by improving the skills you have to offer and therefore expanding your customer base. And ultimately, this makes the Fiverr platform better for both buyers and sellers. So come join me now as we get started on this adventure in photo manipulation in Photoshop.